How to work with dictionaries. First, we'll see how to create a dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of data which is unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are used to store data in the form of key value pairs, similar to that of a telephone book, in which the keys are the names of the people and the values are the phone numbers of the people. So you get the phone number of a person by searching for the name of the person. The dictionary in Python operates on in a similar way. Now to create a dictionary, let's name a variable my dictionary is equal to curly braces. Now just this curly braces is empty dictionary. Now let me add some key value pairs. So we write the key value pairs as key colon then the value. The value could be string, number, list, tuple, anything. So in this I've written 1 school, 2 bus, 3 students. Now I've written now I want to access one value of the dictionary. So for that I have to use the key of the dictionary. So my dictionary, and then in the square brackets I've written 2. So this will give me the value bus. So as you can see, the value key 2 has the value bus. Now I create a new dictionary, and just to demonstrate that the value could be anything, and you can have a mix of keys also. So in that first the key will be string, and that's name, and the value is also string. The second in the second case, the key is a number, that is 1, and then we have a string. And in the third case, we have a number as the key and a list as the value. So we can access each of these items by just writing the key, just writing the dictionary and the key in the square brackets. So as you can see, we got John, and when I do my dict2, that time I get the list. So that's how the dictionary works in Python, and how we can access each element from the dictionary.